FutureTrend channel is glad to welcome all of our subscribers. As usually in the mornings, we start our analysis of major currencies, of trading of major currencies in the world financial markets for the date of 6th of August 2018. And today we'd like to concentrate your attention on longer-term trends of the United States currency, especially among the four probably major of them: euro dollar, dollar yen, cable and dollar Swiss. And why we decided to analyze longer term trades of the United States currency. First of all, we're still trading inside of summer ranges. A good example of these summer ranges is of course the euro dollar. Last week was probably rather optimistic for the dollar bulls because the market interpreted the last meeting of the Federal Reserve System, Federal Open Market Committee, rather positively for the future rises of the benchmark United States interest rates. Also, the last economic numbers in the form of payrolls report was also interpreted by the market rather positive for the future of the United States currency, despite of the plunge of the absolute number of United States new workers. We saw that the unemployment rate still remains on the quite low levels, and an average hourly earnings also came in expected numbers of plus 0.3%. Overall trend in the United States labor market continues to perform really very well, and from that point of view also the United States dollar should proceed to the north. But let's be the truth, let's be honest. We should understand that of course during the August period we eventually could test the critically important support barrier 115 and probably undershoot of it. Anyway, we suggest that sooner or later most active players will be back into positions, especially when summer holidays ends. And from that point of view, the liquidity will rise, and volatility in the foreign exchange markets also will be on the rising path. We expect that the underlying bullish trend of the United States dollar should sooner or later come to an end. And we suggest we base our such kind of our assumption and of such kind of scenario, assuming that other parts of the world economy should start to show strengthening signs of corresponding economies. That applies, for example, for the Eurozone economy, also for the British economy, despite of the fact of current troubles with Brexit negotiations. All in all, we suggest that even the Japanese economy also should proceed higher, and last changes, even tweaks to its current monetary policy is probably the first sign of such kind of normalization. All in all, we suggest that starting from September, probably the end of September, the market will be back to dollar weakness. And the moment it's really very hard to say, should it be a kind of United States dollar correction, or even a turnaround of the United States dollar strength. At the moment is really very hard to answer this question. Anyway, this is our baseline scenario. That's why we still keep our long trade recommendation against the United States currency. For example, in all of the pairs analyzing on your screens, that's euro dollar and dollar yen and sterling, where also we entered a small long position below 130 with a stop below the lows of 2018 located around 129 50, 60. All in all, we still keep our short trade recommendation in the dollar Swiss. That's in the major currencies. As regarding the euro crosses, here the situation is a little bit different. We should understand that Sino-United States trade relations should dampen future strength of risk appetite in the financial markets, and from this point of view the Japanese yen should remain into focus, should remain in demand, in strong demand, especially in case of fully blown trade wars. But at the moment, of course, we're still missing such kind of situation. And as regarding the commodity block of currencies, probably they perform some better than, for example, the euro dollar and some other major currencies. And as you could see, we're still trading above the lows in the Kiwi dollar as well as Aussie dollar. As regarding the dollar Canada, here the situation still remains quite optimistic and encouraging for the further strengthening of the Canadian economy, both from technical or fundamental reasons. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. During the course of this week, we will try to present you some more detailed information on technical front, how to trade different currency pairs. Today, once again, we decided to concentrate your attention on longer term fundamental factors of the United States economy as well as United States dollar. Thank you very much for all of your attention. It was your Future Trend channel. Bye bye for now.